Sodium plays a crucial role in performance of athletes for several reasons. Here are the 5 most important reasons why performance athletes should consider adding sodium to their hydration regime. Number 1. Electrolyte balance and hydration. Sodium is a key electrolyte that helps regulate fluid balance in the body. During intense physical activity, athlete loses sodium through sweat. Maintaining sodium level helps prevent dehydration, which can improve performance and increase the risk of heat-related illnesses. Number 2. Muscle function. Sodium is essential for proper muscle function. It aids in nerve impulse transmission and muscle contraction. Low sodium level can lead to muscle cramp, weakness, and fatigue, which can negatively impact athletic performance. Number 3. Nutrient absorption. Sodium is involved in absorption of nutrient in the intestines. It helps the uptake of glucose and amino acid, providing the necessary energy and building blocks for muscle repair and growth during intense workout. Number 4. Preventing hyponatremia or low sodium level. Athletes, especially endurance athletes, are at risk of hyponatremia if they consume excessive amount of water without sufficient sodium intake. Hyponatremia can cause symptoms like nausea, headache, and sometimes severe symptoms like seizures. Number 5. Maintaining blood volume. Sodium helps maintain blood volume. Adequate blood volume is necessary for proper circulation and delivery of oxygen and nutrient to the working muscle. This is particularly important during prolonged and high intensity exercise. So if you are a performance athlete, make sure you listen to your body. Pay attention to the signs of low sodium level or sodium imbalance in your body, such as excessive thirst, headache, and muscle cramp, and adjust your intake accordingly.